Capital by Karl Marx was written in 1867. The main message of the book is when an economic system treats workers as mere objects, it is setting itself up for revolution. Karl Marx provides a snapshot of the horrifying conditions in which men, women, and children labored in early Britain, in contrast to the rosy view of progress and prosperity of Victorian times that we get in, say, Samuel Ismail's Self-Help. In page upon page of examples, Marx shows the dark side of capitalism. Rather than bringing with it increased leisure time and comforts, technological wizardry combined with capital had turned Britain's worker and rural folks into a class of white slaves. Marx's labor theory of value, borrowed from Ricardo, says that the value of something is simply the labor that has gone into it. A quote, for instance, is congealed human labor. Because one kind of commodity can be used to purchase other commodities, and labor is the basis of creation of commodities. We know what someone is worth by what they can exchange their labor value for converted into money. Karl Marx says the labor will be paid only to the extent that he is kept in food, fuel, and housing, so that he can renew himself each night in order to come back and work next day. The price of his labor will be the sum cost of the commodities he must buy to keep himself and his children alive. Reading Capital may make you stop and think how much of your day is spent earning money for yourself and how much is spent enriching your employer, and whether this is fair.